Hey people, Augie here at Switchback Trading. Gonna go over the New York session from yesterday. When was yesterday? That's 24th of October. And yeah, we'll see if there's any SBT models that presented, and I'll run you through them, and we'll see how it panned out. Okay. Right. So what do we got here? Okay, so that's the open there. Okay, can you see that? This is a 5-second chart because the NQ is just being crazy. So scalping on a 5-second chart. Price made a low, made a high, consolidated, came down, made a low. Okay, so I like this. This looks interesting. Why? Well, it tapped the support bands there, right? You see the support ribbon? They tapped that. So to me, okay, that might be worthy of paying attention. Put the retracement tool on there. Right. Open it up a bit. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to move it over here so you can see, so I can mark the entry. This was grade A+, okay? Yeah, like all the other videos, what do I say? Price, if the EMA is down here at the same level as the 25% retracement, that's what I like. Because basically, here you have price closing above the 25% retracement and the EMA at the same time. Okay, had to take some heat on that. Didn't come down to your stop, you know. So that's perfectly doable. Or if you waited and then you got in on the second close above, closed above the 25% and the EMA at the same time. Love that. Okay, TP1 50%. That got smoked. Boom. Smoked it. Okay, so what do you do now? Your TP1 got smoked. Move your stop to break even, right? So it doesn't turn negative. That's if you still have runners in. Okay, I like to get the meat, as you know, from the 25% to the 75%. So let's see if it gets hit. There's a 75, comes up. Oh, do you see that? That happened yesterday for my live trade for the 5 grand. Same thing, right? So because I always front run the, I don't put my stop right at the 75%, right? My order is always sitting before it. Why? That's why. So that if price comes up and just touches the 75, which it tends to do quite often, then I'm out. I'm out with my profit, and my profit is there. That's the meat. That's the meat. I keep go through my videos. That's all I want. Okay, that's all I want. I just want that chunk of meat. And I'll tell you why. That chunk of meat. So from 343, okay. 343 and your entry was 312. That's a 31-point scalp. Just going for the chunk in the middle, from the 25% retracement to the 75%. That would have been a 31-point scalp. That's retirement. 31 points on the NQ futures, full size, with one contract is $40 a point. So if one contract, you just captured $1,240. Yeah, okay. If you had 5 contracts, that's $6,200. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If you had 10 contracts, you just made $12,400. So you don't need to be shooting for 100-point fucking trades. What you need is a model that presents consistency. Okay, so with the SCB setup, you're targeting a 2-to-1 R to R, right? So your stops at the 25% level, sorry, at the 0%, right? That's a 25%, and then your profits 50% away. So it's a 2-to-1 RR if you hold for the 75, right? If not, if you get out at the 50, then you move your stops to break even immediately. High probability, high win rate. So yeah, I mean, Jesus, that was a killer banger. Okay, let's see what else presented. Anything else? So that's the first trade of the day, right? So you would have been done by hour in 24 minutes into the session, New York session. You're done. Okay, you already captured your move. But yesterday was the day that this model shines on these choppy, rangy days, right? Okay, so we'll keep going. Hit the 75. Does it hit the 100? Hits the 100% retracement. Okay, but you would have got shaken out if you stuck to the model, because basically after it hit the 75, you should be locking in profit or stops at break even, right? So you would have got stopped out there, stopped out there. But price, I mean, it's more risky. You could have re-entered there. Why? It closes above the 50 and it closes above the EMA. I've done this before, but basically it's more risk because now price can easily come back down to the 25% and tag you out, right? So, but this just goes to show that, wow, 100% retracement got hit, okay? And it kept going. Kept going, hit the resistant bands, boom, sell off, okay. So I'll get rid of this measurement. Okay, so we got some heavy selling, boom, boom, boom. Okay, well that's a move, right? Let's see what happens. Let's put the retracement tool on it. Bring that down. Okay, yeah. It's closing above the 25%. Oh. Okay, it didn't close above the EMA. So right, okay. So this one, if you front ran it, you would have got chopped up. Why? This candle did not close above the EMA. It wicked it. It closed above the 25%, didn't close above the EMA, and the EMA is, still going straight down. So if you waited for the price to kind of stabilize, okay, let's put that back there. It's a high. So you bring it down to there. Okay, second time's a charm, right? Why? What do I say? I like it when the EMA is like that. It's under the 25%. Anywhere around there, underneath it, that's right there. I probably would have jumped in. Because to me that shows it. Right, so continuing on. Yeah, price got above the EMA, right? So that's bullish. And then it closes above the 25%. So I probably would have got in there, to be honest. That was confirmation, make me happy. And then boom, 50% gets hit. Within how long? 10. Jesus. 1 minute, 40 seconds. 1 minute, 40 seconds, you're out of your trade at your TP1. This TP2 gets hit. Once again, my bread and butter, right? This is what I'm going for. Just that. Look at my videos. Look at. That's all I want. Just give me that meat. Give me that meat right there. I'm happy. I'm done. That's all you need. Because look, once you're out here, then price, it consolidates back to the 50%, back to 75, back to. If you want to try jumping in and out, catching that, that's not for me, man. It gives me stress. I get in, get my profits, get out. Sell goes back to your entry, so if you did have runners in, stops at break even or lock in profits, because boom, it comes back and it would have tagged you out. So protect your profits. Don't give the market back if you don't have to, right? Okay, move that back down there. So yeah, so then it sells off. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. So look, so that's two winning setups already. What's going on here? Yeah. Okay, so for this, sometimes when there's 1, 2, 3 highs, lower highs in a row, I don't set the measurement tool to that one. I set it to that one. I've noticed that if I set it to that one, everybody that jumps in thinks that that's going to get filled, because a lot of times it does, and then the market doesn't fill it. So I put the high there to the low, and market's getting above the EMA. It's looking bullish. 100%. This is a move. Look, look. Do you see? Do you see that? Okay. Oh my God, that's lovely. Okay. So, once again, it's the same. EMA is below the 25% retracement. I like it. Price is closing above the level. But yet, if you put your order there, 341.25, you would have got filled. You would have got filled. And then your TP1, sorry. What's going on here? Your TP1 gets hit. So I mean, okay, this isn't a very big range, right? It's 41 to 47, you know, that's 6 points. 6 points to your first profit target, lovely. But your TP2 gets hit at the 75% right there. And your TP3 gets hit. So I mean, boom, boom, boom. And here, you would have trailed your stops. TP1 gets hit, right? You move your stop from here up to break even. TP2 gets hit. You move your stop to 50%. TP3 gets hit. Either all out or move your stops up again. And you would have got stopped out there if you had a runner. But man, what a trade. So the getting in at 360 was 100% retracement. And you got in at 341. Jesus. That's another 19-point scalp on top of the 30-something you already got. You see what I mean? That's now you're up over 50 points for the day. It starts adding up quick, okay? So that's what's that? Number 3 winning setup? Is there more? I'm telling you, yesterday was a okay, big move down. Okay. Look at that. We just finished a move and it's giving you another setup. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. It's hitting the support ribbon. I like that. Okay. Price is climbing above the EMA as well as the 25% retracement. I like that. Entry. Yeah. Okay. Would have came close to getting stopped out here, but you shouldn't have been stopped out. And I'll tell you why. Don't put your stop right. Don't put your stop right there. Put your stop, you know, put it there, or put it there, put it there. You know what I mean? Because imagine that. You getting stopped out, and then it turns around and shoots up. If you did get stopped out, jump back in. Why? The trade's still valid. The EMA is below the 25. Price is closing above the EMA, and it's closing above the 25% level. And you got a lovely buy sequence, you know, boner candle, boner. Yeah, and the 50 gets smoked right away. Boom. 50 gets smoked. Stops to break even. 75 gets smoked. Jesus. 100 gets smoked. Look at that. Oh, fuck me. 50% smoked. Right. 50%. 75%. Smoked. You wouldn't have, you know, 100%. You would have got filled on all of those without any drawdown. You know what I mean? Like that. If you had a runner in on the 100%, Jesus. So from 58 up to 70, you could have got another 20 points if you had a runner, if you left a runner. That's mental. That's mental. So you got in at the 324, right? So from 358 minus 324. Another 34 points. So on the day, you'd be up over 80 fucking points already. On 4 scalping setups. Scalping setups. Scalping, 80 points. This isn't swing trading. This is scalping. 80 point scalping? It's fucking mental. That's a fucking mental model. That's a mental model. And we're not even done. What's this? Number 4? This is winner number 4? Fuck me, man. I shouldn't be fucking giving this shit away for free. Right? Because I mean, look at that shit. It just keeps delivering. Okay. Let's see if any more setups happened. Yesterday it was fucking on fire for the SBT model. I'm telling you. It was on fire. Okay. Another move. High, low. Yeah, it hit the support. Smaller range. So that's a 20-point range. No, I wouldn't take this one. No. I'll tell you why. So I wouldn't have taken this one because look where the EMA is. It's up at the 50. Yes, you could consider that extremely bullish, or you can consider it as the down move is not fully completed. So I don't think I would take that one. Yeah, I don't like the look of that one. So, but if you keep bringing the retracement tool down, then we'll see if anything else happens. Okay, so it keeps making lower lows, and you're watching, you're bringing it down, you're watching, you're bringing it down, bring it down, you just keep bringing it down. Okay, so something's happening here. Right. I'm gonna use use a body. I'll stick to the bodies. You're getting a boner candle above the EMA. You see that? And above the 25%. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna move the chart open just so we can get a better picture of it, so I can annotate the chart properly. So if you just kept bringing it down, it hit the support band, right? Okay. Now, yeah, I like double taps, okay, but you don't always get them. And then EMA is below the 25%. Lovely. Okay, that's what I like. Yeah. Price is closing above the EMA, closing above the 25%. So that's your signal to get long. Your TP1 gets smoked within seconds, right? Literally 52.50. Yeah, a minute ish. I mean, come on. That's ridiculous. Anyways, okay. Now, these are 5-second candles. So if you got in there 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 25 seconds, your TP1 would have got hit. In 25 seconds. Okay? From 29, 329 is your entry, to 42. Wow. Wow. You wouldn't be happy with that? Really? That's 13-point scalp. Stops to go to break even, right? And you would have got stopped out because market started selling off after that. But you grab 13 points. So the whole thing is you grab your profit target, and then you need to protect your risk. Okay, reduce your risk wherever you can, as soon as you can. Protect your risk, protect your profits. Because, you know, no point keeping your stop all the way back down there when you've already hit TP1. Why would you give back all your profits? And if you're in with multiple contracts and you only scaled out at TP1, that means your profit, the amount you're going to lose is going to be greater than your TP1 profit. Okay, so don't fucking do that. That's not good business. Okay, that's not smart. And so you're stopped out. That's fine. Okay. So what do we do? Is the move still happening? Well, it might be. Okay. So we continued dragging the level down. Okay, this is interesting. Yep, so bullish. Price getting back above the EMA, toying with the 25% retracement level. Bullish. Boner candles, okay. Stop is at your the low, right? Does the 50 get hit? Almost. Okay, so that's nasty. So there's your 50. Does not get hit. If you front ran it, I don't think I'd front run it that much, so that would have not got filled probably, and then you would have had all this chop. So basically, when you see all this chop like that, you got to make a call. Right there is saying get out. It's closing back below the 30, the EMA. Okay, so take your profits, hit the fucking eject button, pull the fucking ripcord, get out, fucking fucking eject the fuck out. Okay, this is a fucking general alarm. Abandon fucking ship. It's fucking sinking. Okay, fucking hit to your muster stations. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. I'm okay. But you see what I mean? Don't fuck around. Don't fuck around with the ES, man. Yo, you think you're good? You think you're good up there? No, it's gonna. No, it's gonna hit my profit target. I've got such conviction and willpower. I'm a fucking super trader. I'm gonna hit it. And it just teased you. It just fucking teased you. Look at all these wick dicks. These wickety wick dicks. Saying you got your profits there. It's like, okay, I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna come and then don't let that happen. So yeah, 4 winners, 1 failed setup. This isn't 100%. Nothing is. Okay, but you cut your losses quick. Grab your profits. Okay, so now it's making a move. It's making a move now. Okay, didn't hit the support. Don't really like the look of that. Yeah, it's going up. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, no. So I wouldn't have got in on this one. Once again, the EMA is way the fuck up there, okay? I like it when it's down here. You could read this, interpret it either ways, that it's so bullish that the EMA didn't come down. That's one way to look at it, sure. You can jump in at the 50 while it's crossing above, sure. But for me, now where are you gonna put your stop? You're gonna put your stop there. Price can come down, wick you out. You're gonna put your stop there. That's a hell of a stop now. So I wouldn't have taken this one. I don't like it, even though it worked. You see what I mean? The setup worked, but I didn't like the entry criteria. Well, it wasn't what I like. Okay, so you don't have to take every one. We're super green right now, 80 some points in the green. You need to know this. Every time you enter the market, you're putting risk on, which means you can lose money. So why do it if it's not A+? Especially when you're fucking green for the day, you know? Don't be fucking greedy. Don't be fucking greedy, okay? You're green, you're up over 80 points. Fucking be chill. Just be a little bit more picky on the next setup, okay? Be very picky on the next setup. Protect your profits, okay? There's gonna be another setup. Wait for the A+ ones. There always is another setup. Look, this is the 4th one. We're not even done, okay? It's a massive rally. Okay, so that one, too bad you didn't get in and leave a runner. But those are the ones that's why we say try to leave a runner, because so you can capture shit like that. Like, that's lovely. Right? Okay, so fucking massive run up. Okay, now we're gonna move down. Okay, so let's put the tool on here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. I'm liking that the EMA is coming down. Right? The price is coming up to meet it. So this is looking bullish. Okay, I didn't say I'm in yet. See, it was looking bullish, but it didn't close. yet. Okay, I'll just bring this out so you can see. Oh wow, okay. So look here. You might have tried jumping in here, but it didn't close above the EMA. So wait, it also didn't do a double tap on the support. I like this. Okay, so it came down. That's the low there, okay? So that's nice. But it made a double bottom, okay? Now that it's double bottom, you fucking go right to the noodle. Right to the fucking noodle, full tilt, man. Just fucking full tilt, full port. No, don't do that. Do it a little bit. Just quick. Just full port it and get out. Bring the measurement tool down to the new low, right? This is A plus. Okay. Okay, here's my entry. Look at that. Came down, fake out, double bottom, rallies back up, closes above the 25% retracement and the EMA at the same time. Okay. Boom. 9-point scalp. TP1 gets smoked right away. Great. Stops to break even. And do we get stopped out? Let's see what happens. Yep. Okay, we got stopped out. Fine, fair enough. We're in the green, 13 points. Or how many points? 41. Oh, sorry, 8 points, 9 points. Okay, this is a tough one now. So it's looking bullish again, but it's above the 25%. So higher risk if you were to jump in here, but it is bullish and the trade is still valid. Okay. Okay, so if you tried to jump in, you wouldn't have got filled at the 50. Didn't quite hit the 50 there, right? Okay. And if you were patient and you just put your order there, that's where it should be, you would have got filled, and then your risk is less, right? You can put your risk there, hold your risk, hold your stop. You didn't get stopped out, and your TP1 was hit, okay? But what do we say? See? Once your TP1's hit, stops to break even. Stops to break even, motherfuckers. But boom, you get smoked out, okay? But if you had your stops to break even, that's a winning trade. Okay. Now what do we do? Now bring it down. Bring it down. So there's the low. I'm gonna bring it down to the new low. I still think these highs need to get taken out. The high on this measured move. Keep bringing it down. Bring it down. Okay, look at this. Now it hit the support bands again. Okay. Support band, this support ribbon, gray area there. Okay. This is interesting now. Okay. So it did a failed setup. Boom. Okay. Bullish. There's your entry. Because you got the 25% right there, and you got the candles coming up to close above the EMA and the 25%. Let's see what happens. Entry. Stops below. Oh, we're gonna get stopped on this one. Yeah. Ooh. Oh shit. This is a tough one. Yeah. Yeah. You would have got. Okay. Let's see if you would have got stopped. Okay. You would have got stopped. So either you had your stops there, which that came damn close, you know. Because technically that's the signal. Failed setup. Bullish. Didn't close. Above the EMA, didn't close. So basically, yeah, you gotta pay attention to these down candles. When it can't, three times, it tried to get above and it couldn't. So that's telling you something, and it's making lower lows as well, right? So yeah, that would have been a loser. You would have got stopped out. But I mean, you did get profits, and then you made another attempt. You got stopped out. It's fine. Okay. So I'm gonna disregard this measurement tool now, and we wait for the next move. Okay, big move down. Okay, so I'm gonna put the measurement tool on here from this. Okay, so, yep, bullish. I'm bullish again. 25%. Look at it's above the EMAs and it's closing above the 25% retracement. You're in. You're in on this one. Okay. And she boom! Winner, winner, chicken fucking dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Entries there, stops there. It's in this support zone. So I like that. I like that. It's getting support. The 50 gets smoked pretty much right away. 97, 81, 16-point scalp within seconds. Come on, people. You know what I mean? Does the 75 get smoked? 75 gets fucking smoked. There's my bread and butter, baby. Bread and butter. 25 to the 75. Look how nice that signal is. Boom, just like a little baby's cradle. Okay, comes underneath the. That's, oh my god, that's A plus. A fucking plus all day long. Cause look at the EMA. And then it gives price time. It's like, yeah, okay, I'll be your friend. You wanna hang out? You wanna go ride bike? Can we do something? Wanna play some hacky sack? Get fucked! And then it just fucking boom runs, you know? That's lovely. So 50% gets smoked. 75 gets smoked. There's my bread and butter. That's my meal ticket to retirement. So I don't have to work on the boat anymore. I don't want to go on the boat. That gets smoked. That's all I want right there. But the 100% gets hit too. Jesus. Look at that. That gets smoked. So from the 281 all the way up to the Jesus. 50 fucking points. 50 fucking point scalp. On top of the 80 that you've already had. One loss, you know. And then another 50 point winner. Fuck me, man. Jesus. So 70. You're probably up 120 points already. Unfucking real. SBT model. I'm telling you, people. Fucking, you need to learn this model. Look it. Look it, okay? Got a high, bring it down, nothing, bring it down. Oh, okay, bullish. I'm bullish again. 25% retracement above the EMAs. What happens? Does it play out? Stops at break even. No, we're gonna get stopped. Okay, stopped out on that one. Stopped out on that one. Fair enough. Okay, you just lost. Fair enough. You can't win everyone, right? But honestly, if you're up fucking 5 winning, you know what I mean? After that many winners and you're over 100 points, what are you doing still trading? Why? Stop, turn it off. Go ride a bike. Go do something. Go smoke a joint. Go do something. You don't need to be here. I'm just running you through. Okay, so I'm gonna keep bringing this down. Okay. Where's my measured move? I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna bring it down. There's the low. Okay. Because this is like consolidating sideways for a larger move up. Right. Okay. So there's your signal given again. Price is closing above the EMA. So it's closing above the EMA there. Yeah, didn't get above the 25% retracement. Okay. But now look at it. Closed above the 25. It was above the EMAs. So you're long. Right away, you're taking some heat. That sucks, but you know what? It's fucking trading. Grow a pair. Because it fucking pushes up. You have your stop in place for a reason. Accept your fucking risk. If you can't accept your stop loss, you're over leveraged. Or your model shit. Once you put in the trade, you set your stop loss. Don't fucking you move that stop to protect your risk, to reduce your risk, protect your profits. But if you're I'm gonna get stopped out and cry about it, well, fucking maybe trading's not for you. You have to accept your risk fully. You can't be afraid of being stopped out. As soon as you have any fear about being stopped out, you're just gonna cloud your judgment. Who gives a fuck if you get stopped out? Who cares? It's one trade over thousands and thousands, okay? Your stop is your friend. Your stop saves your account. Your stop tells you when you're wrong. Your stop allows you to take the next profitable setup. Fucking respect your stops, okay? Because look, the 50 gets smoked. Boom, you're in the money. Stops at break even again, okay? Does the 75 get smoked? What? This fucking model, Jesus. 75 gets smoked. There's my meat and potatoes. Meat and potatoes, look at that. Oh my god, that's so nice. I love it. Meat and potatoes, 100% get smoked. 100% got fucking smoked, okay. Hence, leaving a runner in as well. Look at, you left a runner in, runner went up another 20 points. Look, the runner's still in there. The runner's still running. Runner's still running. It's still going up. The runner, okay, no, you should have been stopped out now because you don't want to give back too much profits on a runner. Okay, I think we're done. How many? 5, 6 winners? I don't know. With 2 losers. What I'm saying is, if you learn this model in and out, you don't need any other setups. You don't need any fucking complicated inverse fair value gaps with liquidity. You know what I mean? Trading gets pretty complicated pretty quickly. It doesn't need to be that complicated. There's a mean revision. It's a retracement model. It's a scalping model. You've got your defined profit targets, your entry, your stop loss, your TP1, TP2, TP3, fourth one to runner. But like I said, I go for the meat in the middle, 25 to the 75%. And honestly, you get a couple of those a day, that's it. I mean, if you're really aggressive, keep taking each setup. It's not 100%. You saw some losers. You're gonna get losers. But your risk is defined. As long as you stop yourself out, it's fine. Because the winners, you have way more winners with this model than losers. And your RR is at least double, okay? It should be 1-to-1 minimum, but it's 2-to-1, okay? So I'm shooting from the 50 to the 75, and my stop is at the 25. That's a winning strategy every day of the week, man. I mean, but don't abuse it either, you know? You don't fucking have to be in the market 24/7. You don't need to trade Asia, London, fucking New York, you know? Or maybe you do. Maybe you watch London and you take a trade or two on London. Okay, if it presents A+, fine, take it. Same with New York. Dude, the first trade in New York, that's you're done for the day, man. Yesterday, I walked away 5K. Done. Why would I stick around and risk losing that 5K that I just made? Why? I'm trading to regain financial freedom and freedom regarding time. Time is the most precious asset. You can't put a fucking dollar amount on time. Get your money, successful green day, and fucking walk away. Walk away, okay? Alright people, I'm done. I think we covered that pretty clearly. We could see all these setups from yesterday, and I just don't know what to tell you. I mean, I'm sad, actually, you know. There's all these videos on YouTube of these shit fucking strategies, and they get fucking thousands of views. It's like, what? I'm not spending time doing fancy graphic editing and making the videos all, ooh, eye-catching and stuff. Maybe I should, because those people are getting all the views. They've got a shit strategy, but they got pretty fucking videos. Yeah, I'm sad. It's like, you spend more time editing your videos and doing fancy graphics, but you're not actually teaching anything of substance. Their models don't work, and they've got fucking, you know, all they do is just create fucking fake strategies. Put it in big bold letters, you know. The only day trading strategy you need. No, fuck off. This is the only day trading strategy. What? Why would you need anything else? How many videos I got? I got 40 some fucking 50 some videos. Each video, we're doing the same model. It's the same model, okay? Why? I don't need another model. I don't want another model. All right, rant over. I'm done. And until next time, I'm Augie at Switchback Trading. Laters. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, please. I need some likes. Okay, bye.